healing, the way we understand it, is going from simple operating system that is active in your body and in you as a person to a more complex operating system that can integrate more information and more energy. And in this way you make healthier choices. Why do it in a retreat? Number one, the more people have healing experience in a group setting, the more that healing experience is pulling people along in that process. So the more people there are, the more potent is the effect on the single individual. Secondly, it's also, if you do it in a retreat, you're not distracted by daily life, which is pulling you back in your old behavior patterns, and in that way you can really access completely new, healthier patterns.